Rough idle? Increased fuel consumption? Check engine light on? Your EVAP Purge Valve could be the problem. The fuel tank breathe valve, also known as the EVAP Purge Valve, controls fuel vapor flow from the charcoal canister to the intake manifold. It reduces emissions, improves fuel economy, and stabilizes engine performance. Vika uses resistance welding instead of traditional tin soldering. This ensures stronger fixation and prevents wire damage. The polished valve sleeve provides a burr-free finish for improved durability and refined quality. The laminated fluororubber core enhances sealing performance and extends service life under continuous operation. Compatible with multiple BMW MINI engines including B38, B48, B46, B58, and S58 platforms. Vika STO Fuel Tank Breather Valve. 4-year warranty. Superior to OE.